Hello, I'm James Vos, the City of Cape Town's Mayoral Committee Member for Economic Growth, and we cannot wait to welcome everyone back for Africa Travel Week 2023. This year's event will be even bigger, with more in-depth engagements with industry experts and thought leaders, and loads more fun with interactive stands showcasing the diversity of experiences and communities one can find around South Africa, the continent and the world. And it's all set against the backdrop of our beautiful city. Dive into panel discussions around remote work visas, adventure travel, how to make small businesses go big, and what we're doing to help create a tourism-related job in every household in Cape Town. A highlight of Africa Travel Week is the Africa Tourism Investment Summit, which brings together esteemed speakers and professionals in the private and public sector to highlight investment trends, industry challenges and opportunities. As a city government, we will turn the spotlight on what we're doing for Cape Town's visitor economy and how we're creating the conditions for it to thrive, from our tailor-made support for mega property developers to growing international air links and facilitating bilateral trade. And don't miss out on the international luxury travel market Africa, which will welcome 88% new buyers in 2023 from countries that weren't represented last year, including Brazil, Singapore, Germany, Kenya and Nigeria. So start packing your bags and get ready for Africa Travel Week 2023 in Cape Town. See you at World Travel Market.